everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to discuss Lewis dot structures. The goal of this lesson is to draw the Lewis dot structures of a neutral atom. So if you recall, we've looked at one model, starting with spring 2022. We've studied the Bohr model. There are two models for the atom that actually exist. The electron configuration model is a more accurate model, but explicitly writing electron configuration for an atom is not required as of 2022. So we've only really looked at the Bohr model. But in general, both of these models show the total number of electrons, but with each model, we can identify the number of valence electrons present. If you recall, in the Bohr model, the number of valence electrons is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. The Lewis dot structure, it's a simple model showing only valence electrons. It is used to model bonding patterns. So combining atoms to form a new substance, which we will cover in Unit 2. Other terms that mean the same thing: Lewis dot model, Lewis dot diagram. How we draw these diagrams is we first write the atomic symbol in the middle, and then we use dots around the outside to show valence electrons. We start at the top and work clockwise. Single dots first, all the way around the atom before pairing up. Hund's rule still applies here too. And the dots need to be clearly paired on the four sides of the atomic symbol. Not like up here and around and all over. I can't make sense of that. What you'll have to do, you need to make it neat and go around the atom. Use your periodic table to determine the number of valence electrons. So phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. Draw the Lewis dot structure for the following atoms: potassium, chlorine, and nitrogen. Potassium's atomic symbol is K. Potassium has 1 valence electron. So I'm going to draw it at the top. Chlorine's atomic symbol is Cl, capital C, lowercase l. Chlorine has 7 valence electrons. So I am going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double up. 5, 6, 7. Nitrogen's atomic symbol is N. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double up top. Here is a much nicer drawing of what we have just done.